Hi, I'm Kate from Paperless Post, and in this video, I'll walk you through our Paperless Pro subscription. Great for professionals who host frequent events, a Paperless Pro subscription unlocks unlimited access to all our premium customization tools, management features, and design templates, so you can send on-brand invitations for all your events to grow your brand and reach your business goals. Get started by opening paperlesspost.com and selecting Paperless Pro on the top navigation bar. Then, click Subscribe Now to choose the subscription plan that's best for your business based on the total number of annual guests you plan on hosting. Our subscription plans allow you to save as you scale, so the more you host, the less you'll pay per guest. With a Paperless Pro subscription, you'll be able to send invitations for all your business events. Browse our sleek, customizable design templates for professional events like fundraisers, networking events, launch parties, open houses, and more. You can also choose to upload your own existing design. When you've selected an invitation, begin customizing it by clicking Customize. You'll be able to use all of our intuitive customization tools to make any invitation feel on brand for your company or event. Edit the invitation's fonts, colors, upload a photo, add your logo to the card and page header, and select a complimentary envelope, liner, stamp, and background. Incorporate your brand's colors on your event page by selecting a page style in a custom color with our color picker or a specific hex code. With Paperless Pro, you'll also have unlimited access to all of our blocks to include more information for your guests in organized sections on your event page. Add details like a schedule of events, a photo gallery, a video, and more. You can add a speakers block to introduce guests to your event's speakers, along with their photos, bios, and website links. Or a sponsors block to thank your event sponsors and spotlight their logos. Deliver your invitation to guests however you like. Create a shareable link with a custom URL to embed in your own platforms or paste anywhere on the web. You can also create a printable QR code for guests to scan to access your event details. Alternatively, you can send your invitation directly through Paperless Post via text or a custom email. To send a professional custom email with your company branding, select Customize Email. Then add your logos and colors, edit the email text and image preview, and send a cohesive, on-brand email that impresses guests from the very first open. When you're ready to add your guests, click Add Guests and add them manually, upload a spreadsheet, or paste a list. With each guest you add and invite, your total annual count will automatically be deducted from your account balance. Track and manage your guest lists leading up to your event with unlimited access to helpful features, such as an advanced analytics view featuring easy-to-read graphics that update you with your invitations opens and RSVPs in real time. Use guest tags to group your guests into categories with labels only visible to you, like VIP Table or London Team, to help with your event planning. You can also add co-hosts to give a member of your team or someone hosting with you access to manage the event page. Download the Paperless Post app to use our guest check-in feature to check attendees in at the door. With Paperless Pro, you can host all your business events with ease, save time and money, and grow your brand with every RSVP. And if you're not ready to subscribe just yet, you can also pay per event with coins and upgrade your invitation to Paperless Post Plus to try out our premium features. Use our on-site calculator to help assess your pricing needs based on how many guests you plan to invite and which features you'll want to use. Have questions about the Paperless Pro subscription? Feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time!